Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the hottest topics in the tech world right now, the future of coding. Hey, now coding has been around for decades, but the world of programming is evolving faster than ever. And as we step into 2025, new technologies, languages, and skills are emerging. So what will the future of coding look like? And more importantly, what skills will be in demand in the coming years? Let's dive in and find out. The tech landscape is shifting and coding is at the heart of these changes. With industries like AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and blockchain expanding rapidly, the demand for new and specialized coding skills is skyrocketing. But the big question is, what should you focus on to stay ahead of the curve? Let's start with artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you haven't heard, AI is taking over, and it's not just about building robots anymore. It's in everything from chatbots, data analysis, and healthcare to autonomous vehicles and even finance. In 2025, AI and ML skills will be absolutely essentials. Here's why. To build AI models, you need to know languages like Python, R, and even JavaScript for AI-powered web apps. So if you're looking to future-proof your coding career, AI and ML are the skills to master. Next up, cloud computing. With businesses moving to the cloud more than ever, AWS, Azure, and cloud computing are the new powerhouses. As a developer, understanding how to build and manage cloud-native applications is going to be crucial. Learning how to leverage these platforms for things like serverless computing and cloud-based storage will give you a huge advantage in the future of coding. Then there is cybersecurity. As we become more dependent on digital systems, data protection and cybersecurity are a top priority. This means more demand for developers skilled in writing secure code, understanding vulnerabilities, and using tools to safeguard applications. Languages like C, C++, and even JavaScript for web security will be essential. If you are into keeping systems safe, cybersecurity is an awesome skill to develop. And of course, let's talk about blockchain. It's not just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Blockchain technology is being adopted for everything from supply chain management to secure voting systems and digital contracts. Blockchain development is an exciting field, and learning how to build decentralized apps with Solidity and Ethereum will be an incredible asset in the next few years. Now, if you're thinking, okay, that all sounds awesome, but where do I start? Well, let me tell you that. There's never been a better time to dive into these fields. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, there are plenty of resources, courses, and communities to help you grow your skill. Some of the best ways to learn these in-demand skills are through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, edX, or even hands-on coding bootcamps. And as a bonus, don't forget about GitHub. It's the perfect place to showcase your work and collaborate with others in the industry. And here's the key takeaway from the future of coding: be adaptable. New technologies are emerging at lightning speed, and the best developers are the ones who stay curious, continue learning, and always look ahead to what's next. So whether you're diving into AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, or blockchain, 2025 is going to be an exciting year for developers, and I'm here to help you get there. If you're excited about the future of coding and want to stay updated on the latest trends, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's future-proof your coding skills together. The future of coding is bright, and I can't wait to see where you take your skills. Let's start this journey today. See you in the next video.